world. Today we're doing times table. In this video, I'm going to show you guys tricks and tips for the 5 times table. First, draw a rectangular box and divide it into 10 like this. Then write the 5-0 pattern starting from the first box to the last box. So 5 0 5 0 5 and 0 5 0 5 Now write the number 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 and 5 starting from the top box to the bottom box. Let's write it. 2 0 1 1 2 Well, the 5 times table is ready. That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. That's it. Let me give you a tip in the 5 times table. If someone comes and give you a random number and says if it comes in the 5 times table or not, you may think it's hard to find out, but it's easy. Just write the number. So now let's see if this comes in the 5 times table. It does. But how? Because the last digit is 0 or 5. That means any number ends with 5 or 0 comes in the 5 times table. Hope you enjoyed my video and helped you do the 5 times table. Please follow, like and subscribe my videos. Bye-bye. Catch you later.